Guys, I got one while having a little malfunction. Something's wrong with my reel. I think I left it outside and the reel froze up. Whatever, there you go. Got the first one right there without even trying. He inhaled it though. Oh, these ones are way bigger than the last one we were catching. Nice. Something's wrong with my reel. We're gonna drop it back down. Hopefully we get one. I got a bite. I got another fish on. There's no way. Oh. Yo, I'm not even trying. These are huge. Now when I say huge, I'm talking about the last video, you know? Compared to the last video. Look at that. This could be a little quick trip. I can't seem to fix this pole. Alright guys, so my primary rod, something happened to the reel. Couldn't get it to work, so I guess we're gonna have to do one rod, one reel for now. That was 2 fish back to back without even trying, and that's dropping down the shrimp. So I'm gonna tie on the jig and get a jig bite because I really want to catch one on the jig, and I feel like this is the time because that was 2 back to back. You know, without even trying, I just dropped the line there. The reel, it wouldn't reel up. So, you know, I felt the line tugging. Set the hook with my hand, hand like that baby in. But all right, I'm gonna tie on the jig though. Oh, we have bites. Oh. This one held it. It held it. Oh, we got it out. Alright, we're gonna release that one. The reel's like working a little bit. It's not the best. It's still kind of hard to reel it, but we're gonna work with what we got. You guys saw that. I think it was going off. But we're getting more bites. Oh, he played with me. Fish on. Oh. Right there. This is a good size. Oh, it's right on the side of the mouth, so I feel like we're gonna catch more, so I'm gonna release it. Here you go, guys. These are not trout, alright? These are landlocked salmon. Stock landlocked salmon right here. Alright. So what I have here is a little trout magnet. That's a little itty bitty split shot, and we're just gonna drop it down there. We already chummed it with the shrimpery, so we're gonna match the hatch with the little pink grub right there. Alright, so how we gonna work this? We're just gonna jig. Oh, fish on! Oh man. Dude, that was instant. That was instant, guys. Right there. Hello? Woohoo! Catch a lot of fish. Say hi to the camera. We're gonna catch and release this one, guys. Alright, guys, release. Oh my god, that was like instant. I told you guys, mash the hatch. I was already chumming them with the pink shrimp already. So, tie on this baby right here, this little pink grub, and that was instant. You guys saw that? Man, just that, it kind of sucked right now because my reels are all frozen. I don't know why. Well, because I left them outside. But, watch, it's going to be instant again. Oh, right there. Oh, he had it. Oh, they are attacking it. You guys can actually see it. Oh! You guys see this? They are so aggressive. He got it, he got it. Time my drag real quick. These some big ones though. Look at that. That is some nice size right there. Got him out. Here we go. Let's release this one too. And now we know that we're gonna catch a lot of them. We're gonna try to keep the bigger ones, alright? Let's keep doing it. I would definitely stick you guys underneath the ice. Because I see them. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a good one. There we go. This is like back to back. This is back to back right here, man. On a cold, cold day here in Alaska. We gotta keep that one. That's a good size. Look at that. That's a good size one right there. Let's see if I can get them to come up. If I can get them to come up and hit on top, I could most likely stick you guys in the ice. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Alright guys. You guys gonna go in the ice. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys in the ice, guys. Oh my god, that's a trout. Alright guys, let's release that trout. Wow. That was just insane underwater footage, man. Oh my god. Look at this big boy. Let's put him out of his misery. Look at that big boy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Damn. I caught a trout earlier. I released it. But here's my 4 right there. Let's knock him out real quick. Alright, there we go. Hey yo, that's my 4. Those are good size right there. Let's keep having fun, man. This is fun. Oh my god. What a beautiful view too. Alright guys, that was fun. That was a good underwater camera right there. Woo! It is getting kind of chilly, so I got my Zippo hand warmer. I got it at my local Costco. It works so good, guys. This is really useful right here. So I recommend something to keep your hand warm. That's the first thing you're gonna feel, and then your feet. So we got 4. Let's try to catch 2 more, and we're gonna limit out and just go on home, guys. Let's do it. Whoa, hey, that was a big one. Oh, it's not this one. Oh, came off the hook. Let's release that one. It's not that big. I see some bigger ones in there. Fish on. Is it that one? Oh! Oh! Oh yeah! The reel froze up on me. Oh, came off the hook. Yeah, that's the one I saw inside there, right there. Oh yeah. I'm so happy, guys. Some big old landlocked salmon right there. Woo! Alright guys, we're gonna catch one more keeper, and we're ready to go, man. My hands are freezing up. It is a little chilly today. Sorry, it's gonna be a little quick episode. I just want to get out here and have a little fun, you know, record something that's small for you guys. Like I said, my wife, she's about to give birth, going labor. Oh, she's about to go on labor, so I'm gonna be a little bit busy for the next couple months. So I'm gonna try to push as much content as I can for you guys, and I'm gonna be taking a little break. Wow, they're just attacking it. They're just all swiping at it. I do really want to catch a big one, because I caught that giant one right there. That was a pretty nice size one right there. Fish on. Oh, he's not coming up. Alright, let me tighten that drag. Oh. I can't complain about that, but I'm gonna let it go. Fish on. Whoa. Yeah. Woohoo! These are big. Oh. Quick release. Good job. I really want a trout. I'm trying to get a trout. Let's do that. I caught a trout earlier, but I released it. I should have kept it. Fish on the drop. Oh, came off. Man, this action back to back. I don't even have time to use the hand warmer. Fish on. Oh, that's a big boy. That's a big boy. Woo. Check that out. It's awesome. Alaska trout and landlocked fishing, guys. Can't get any better than this. Back-to-back action. Good job. Oh, there we go. The smallest one of the day right there. Man, we're not keeping track of how many we catch it. Somebody in the comment section, write down what fish was that? Good job. Uh-oh, they're getting smaller. They're getting smaller. One thing about these trout magnets is that they last a while, guys. All these fish I'm catching is all on that one lure that I tied on in the beginning. Still holding up. I'm just jigging it. Just jigging. Oh! Hey! What's foul hook? Oh, it's a foul hook, I think. Oh no, my reel. Oh, yeah, it's foul hook. Yo, I thought it was a giant. That just tells you how many fish there is down there. There's probably a lot of fish down there for me to be able to snag them like that. I'm not gonna lie, I thought that was a big one. That one's long, pretty long. Alright, my reel's starting to freeze up on me. Even the gear is telling me that it's time to go home. Oh! I got a fish on! I don't even have to try. My lure was literally sitting on top of the water. Too small. One more keeper. Here we go. Yo! They're already taking it. It just barely touched the water. Oh, my reel. This is just awesome. It was cold earlier. Now it's not cold anymore. Look at my hands. I don't even need a hand warmer anymore. They're literally just taking the top of the water. I'm just gonna sight fish for them. Oh! Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one right there. That's a big one. Oh, wow. That's the one right there. The last one, make me go home right there. Look at the color. Oh, no. I wanted to show you guys the color before it gets all messed up. There you go, guys. That's the last one of the day right there.